Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how I installed an extra fan on a BMW Navi CCC to avoid overheating problems. It's looking like that. In the situation you see here the frame where the CCC is built in the car, and I choose this position. If you have this park distance control DSC unit, I think every E60 has it. You have to see the special situation of building in the fan. Here you see the frame. The unit is inside of the park distance control and DSC. Here you see all the cables and plugs. So I think this position for the fan is the only position that is possible on a BMW E60. If you have another BMW model, I think you have to look how the situation is to build in the fan. The fan is blowing here in this area of the board. The red circle is marking the dangerous parts for overheating. I think the position of the fan is not that bad. So it's looking like that. As a fan, I choose from Sunon a fan. You have to see that this is, I think, maximum size that is possible. 50 by 50 by 15. The maximum height is 20 millimeter. So I think a 15 millimeter fan is not that bad. I choose a fan that is with low speed and low noise and low current. You also can choose other fans with higher speed, but I think they are more loud, and also the current they need is a lot higher. Maybe it's not so good, I don't know. But the cooling effect would be better. So here in this diagram you see how I connected it. Here's the original CCC and here's the original fan of the CCC. I just connect from here to there to the extra fan, and here red and brown. So I built a Y cable to connect the additional fan. Here, this plug you plug in the original fan of the CCC. Here you plug in the extra fan, and here you plug in the original cables from the car that is normally in the original fan. It's looking like that. You just have to connect red with red and brown with brown. The white cable from here to there you have to connect through, but not to the extra fan. It's really necessary for the BMW diagnostic system. Otherwise it thinks there's no fan running. So it's looking like that. The whole CCC with the extra fan. Here you plug in the original cable that is coming from the car, and it was before plugged in here. It's looking like that. Thanks a lot and good luck.